These are top sign-up bonuses for Nigerians. These are apps that will help you earn extra income while you work from home in Nigeria. Let me show you. This is Earnut. You'll be able to make money in cash while working at home. This website will pay you for doing simple tasks online daily on this platform. And these are tasks you can do with your phone, tablet, or computer system. How do you claim your sign-up bonus? As soon as you use the link below the description of this video, you sign up, you come to this place, you click reward. You get to this place, you see rewards. You'll be able to win up to 250,000 points, which is $250. Look at it, $250. You just click spin the wheel. But before then, you are going to be asked to put a referral code. You must put a referral code. So you put ASKJOFA. The ask and the JOFA must be together for it to work for you. And you then click spin the wheel. You will win something in dollars. Any amount you win is by luck, but I can assure you, you are going to win something. You can learn more on how to use this platform to your advantage. It is a full video about Earnut. The link of the video will come out here. Watch this video. This is Freecash. You get paid for testing apps, watching videos, playing games, and doing surveys with your phone, tablet, or computer system. Look at it. You can earn up to $100 per offer on every offer with this website. There are a lot of offers for you. You can see you can make $45 daily on this website. They've paid out over $50 million already. You can see all you need to do is to use the link below the description of this video, and you get $5 as a sign-up bonus. You can see $5. Look at it. These are videos I've done about this app. This one is my payment proof. Just search Freecash by AskJOFA. This one was recently done about how you can earn $60 on every offer in Nigeria. And you can see, and I showcase how I cash out $19 plus from this website and how you can make $20 every day from this website. And this particular video is a step-by-step process of how to cash out direct to your bank account in Nigeria. So all you need to do is to put in the work and you earn money in dollars right here in Nigeria. Thank you. This is Honeygain, one of the best apps that can make you a lot of money in Nigeria, but many people don't know that. When you use the link below the description of this video, you get $3 instantly. Wait, but if you decide not to use my link, this is the amount you will get. That is the default bonus. But if you use my link, you are going to get $3. All you need to do is to claim your $3 gift with these 3 steps. You install the app, you start sharing your traffic, and you get paid. What does that mean? You just sign up and leave the app running in the background of your phone, tablet, or computer system. Let me show you how much money you can make. You can see this is over $63 in JMPT token. Look at this payout. These are amount I've cash out, and this is just one device. This is my second device. This is over $38. If you click payout, you can see I already cash out over $51 for this device. You can use multiple devices but with different IP. All you need to do is to use the link below the description of this video to claim your free $3 sign-up bonus. You can also search YouTube. Just put Honeygain by AskJOFA. This video is about how to use Honeygain in Nigeria. This is another video. These are my Honeygain tips and tricks that has helped me to earn so much money with them. This is another payment proof. This is how you can transfer your earnings on Honeygain to your PayPal account without paying the 15% charges. And I have other videos about Honeygain. Just search with AskJOFA. Thank you. This is Pawns.app. When you use the link below the description of this video, you'll be able to claim your $3. This app will only pay you at the point of cashing out. That is, after you must have registered, they will give you $1 with extra $1 on your first 2 withdrawals that will total $3. You can make a lot of good dollars with this app. Look at it. I recently cashed out this $46. You can see the date. This is another $5 that I've already cashed out through Amazon gift cards. All those money are free money. Look at it, you'll be able to earn over $100 just playing games with your phone. $5 for every surveys that you do, and you can cash out from $5. And you can also make money with your free data. Just sign up inside this app every day and leave it to run daily. We earn you free dollars in Nigeria. You can see earn extra income every day. You'll be able to share your internet data and earn instantly with this app. You can watch any of my videos. Just type Pawns.app by ASKJOFA. This is how to use the app. This is my payment proof. This is a step-by-step process of how you can earn $12 every day with this app in Nigeria. You will see the link of this video will come out here. You can watch it later. Thank you. This is also one of the best apps that is very important if you want to work online in Nigeria. And the best part is that this app will give you free $5 sign-up bonus when you decide to use this app. This app will give you easy access to virtual card or physical card online. If you want to make payment for anything like payment for Facebook ad, Instagram ad, YouTube, all kind of payment including Amazon, AliExpress, and making purchases from different platforms online, this app is what you need. Or do you want to make subscriptions, all kind of payment? This app will help you to solve that problem. You can also do a lot. You can deposit money, you can withdraw your money, you can transfer money to another person, you can even convert cryptos with this app. And the best part, you can load this card with cryptos very fast and very easy. When you use the link below the description of this video, you get to this page. You'll be able to claim your free $5 sign-up bonus. You just click get $5 and you can see this is my app and this is my card. I demonstrated this in this video. You'll be able to learn how to create your account, how to use this card to your advantage. Ensure you do that. Thank you. This is one of the best apps in the world. This is AirTM, especially for Nigerians. You know, it could be very difficult to get paid when you work online. This website has solved the problem for Nigerians. And when you join, they will give you bonus. Let me show you. If you decide to use my link, which is below the description of this video, you will get $3. And you will not get this money instantly. You have to use this website on a multiple occasions before they will give you the money. Don't try to game the system. They will seize your money. All you need to do, when you use my link, which is below the description of this video, you will get to this page. Look at it. Accept invitation from ASKJOFA. You will select your country, you select personal, then you continue your sign up. I've done multiple videos that will help you to use this website to your advantage. The link of the video will come out here. This is how to use AirTM step by step. It's a full tutorial. This is how to transfer money from AirTM to any bank in the world. Step by step video. This is how to sign up and verify your account in Nigeria. It's so simple and straightforward. Anything you want about AirTM, just search on YouTube and put AskJOFA. Thank you. This is AppKarma. You can see earn reward playing with apps. This is one of the best apps with a lot of rewards when you play games with these apps. When you use the link below the description of this video, you get to this page. Make sure you use AskJOFA as your referral code to get reward. Immediately you sign up, you'll be mandated to use a referral code. You get instant 300 points with other sign-up bonuses like confirming your email, completing your profile page. You'll be getting over 500 points. And look at all this. You'll be able to get daily rewards as you sign up to these apps every day. Not only that, look at different points. This over 3,000 rewards, this over 18,000 rewards, this over 69,000 reward points. So many of them. And those are games that when you play with your phone, you'll be able to earn rewards in dollars. You can easily convert your gift card codes to cash. Just type in gift cards to cash by AskJOFA. You see a step-by-step of how to go about converting your reward online in gift cards to cash in your country. Thank you. You can see this is Idle Empire. This is one of the best websites to make easy money online from Nigeria. All you need to do is to use the link below the description of this video. When you do that, you will get 500 points, which is the free sign-up bonus for this platform. You can see you can do a lot on this platform. You will sign up, you will earn points, you get reward, and you'll be able to cash out. They have multiple cash out methods. You'll be able to have access to surveys, a lot of surveys, offer wars, and offers that is curated for Nigerians. You have them here. As long as you can work, you have access to work on this platform. Then you'll be able to invite your friends and family members to different promotions through your social media platform that you get paid for when you use this platform. Ensure you subscribe to this channel. Please like this video. Click that notification bell. You get to know when I publish new videos. You soon see a video of how I cash out this my earnings. I've done multiple videos on how to use this platform to your advantage. This one is how to use Idle Empire full tutorial. This is how to earn reward via Idle Empire special promotions, and this is how to engage with Idle Empire via different surveys that is available to Nigerians. All you need to do is to sign up and start working. Thank you. This is Cashyeah. You can see complete task and score rewards. Look at it, just for playing games, watching videos, and completing surveys on this platform. As soon as you use the link below the description of this video to register, the first sign up bonus you get is $50. As soon as you register and you log on, this is how the inside is. This is a new sign up just to show you how to cash out additional bonuses. You are going to get something like this. It is a gift box. You click it, you'll be able to claim your free gift, but you can only do that by using AskJOFA. You just click claim free gift. You can see your free gifts await you. All you need to do is to pick one of these free gifts to reveal what is inside. If I decide to pick the middle one, any task I decide to do, I will get 110% earnings for that task within 24 hours. So this is how to access additional gift. You always see such gift regularly when you open this gift box, especially when you are active on this platform. All you need to do is to complete tasks, simple tasks that you can do with your phone, tablet, or computer system. There is no app to download for this particular website, but the website is optimized for your phone. This is Coin App, and you can see my app here. This app will help you to earn free crypto in Bitcoin, and you can convert to any cryptos of your choice. All you need to do is to use the link below the description of this video, and you will have access to 1000 coin right now. You get rewarded by activating, look at this app here, just by walking around. You get paid with this app. Jogging, I've cashed out multiple times with this app. Even if you don't do anything, this app can give you like almost $10 in a month. That is if you don't even do anything. But if you see here, you can play games, you can do surveys, and so many offers with this app. Aside that, I use this app just to jog, to walk around, and activate when traveling from one point to another. That can see earn you every month just by using this app, walking around, and you'll be gathering points. For instance, look at this one now. You just click it and you see you just be earning those points. That's 60 points. Look at this place. That's how you be gathering them every day. You click collect, you get the point to increase. So many activities that you can do. You can pick cryptos on any ties freely everywhere. A lot of Nigerians are using this app, but you know, if you don't know, you don't know. Just by clicking this place, those points, by tapping all those things every time when you have chance. That's how you make those money. Then you refresh again. For you to learn more about this app, look at it. This is how to collect your money. Coin App payment setup. This is how to set up your payment and redeem your money. This is full tutorial how to use the app step by step right here in Nigeria. This is my payment proof how I cash out step by step using Coin App in Nigeria. Thank you. This is Point Club. Point Club is a platform that will pay you for doing simple tasks online. Tasks like taking surveys, playing games. This website will give you $5. Look at it here. Welcome to Point Club. We have some special offers for friends of John Ajiboye. That is my name. All you need to do is to create your account and answer basic questions, and you get that $5. You can sign up using your Google email address or your Facebook email address. You input your name, fill all this form, your password, date of birth. By the time you get to this place, you put your postal code. You can Google the postal code of your location in Nigeria. You put it here. This is my code that will earn you $5. Look at it. As long as you use that code, you get 5,000 points, which is a welcome bonus from this website. But you need to sign up and confirm your email after signing up. The only challenge with this website is that you will need to be patient. You may not be able to get surveys payments as frequent as possible. All you need to do is to use that link to get paid and get reward as you take surveys with this platform. You can now access free sign-up bonuses from these top apps. All you need to do is to use the links below the description of this video and you start working right away. Don't forget, for you to make a full-time income with these apps online from home in Nigeria, you need to combine multiple of these apps. This is why you need to watch the next video. It is about 23 apps that makes me money every day in Nigeria, and you are going to see my proof of earnings in this video. Don't forget to please subscribe to this channel, like this video, please drop your comment, I will get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.